What's up, family and friends? I'm back with another one. And yes, you see it. These aren't your grandmother's biscuits. These are my homemade buttermilk biscuits. They're really easy, simple to make. And I'm here to show you how I get down with them. So this recipe is really simple. 2-part flour, 1 part butter, 1 part buttermilk, 2 cups of flour, 1 stick of frozen butter shredded, just like this, and 1 cup of cold buttermilk. Before we get into the buttermilk, we gotta incorporate that cold butter into that flour, so pretty much everyone can get some of that buttery love when it's time to enjoy these buttermilk biscuits. Trust the process. Just a quick update, that is self-rising flour. Makes life a lot easier. 1 cup of buttermilk in your bowl. And then we're gonna take our spoon and we're just gonna lightly just kind of toss and fold that into that buttermilk. Now, it's nothing clean about this recipe. You're gonna get dirty, so just prepare yourself because the dough does get tacky, especially when it's time to lay it out on the counter, as I'm about to do right now. It's gonna look like this. Counter, flour. Make sure you have a clean counter, please. I shouldn't have to say that, but just, so you gotta just throw a reminder out there. Clean your counter. Anyway, add flour. If it's too sticky, add flour to it, just so it doesn't stick as much. I'm using a little pastry cutter to kind of just work it in a little bit. Just kind of help so you don't constantly get sticky dough onto your fingers. And I'm constantly just adding a little bit at a time, adding a little bit on my counter just so it's not sticking. Add a little bit on your roller. That just stops it from sticking to your rolling pin. So let's go ahead and start working that, getting that together. Like I said, it ain't gonna be pretty right now, but trust the process. You're gonna enjoy it. You hear me? It's gonna be enjoyable. You're gonna like it. You're gonna love it, actually. So we're just gonna roll it, fold it, and as you fold, what is it doing is you're gonna get these nice, beautiful layers as it's cooking. So you know how when you go to get the Pillsbury can and you got the little biscuits with the layers? Well, you're basically going to get the same effect by constantly rolling, folding, and gently working your dough. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just taking my time rolling with this dough, folding it. And you'll see, once I'm satisfied with it, and once I've rolled it enough, folded enough, I start putting the dough in its final state and prepare it for my baking pan. Once you do these a few times, it goes relatively quick. It'll take you no longer than about 10 minutes to do this, but it's worth it. it's definitely worth it. So I try to square it off a little bit, and you want your dough to be about 1/2 inch thick. Once you get it in, you'll come out with these beautiful biscuits, and you can see if I can get them layers in the frame. Get as much as you can. Baking dish. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful sight to see. You want them close together because you want them to rise together. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. Oven, 475. In there for 10 to 15 minutes. While we wait, we get our honey butter ready. 2 tablespoons of butter melted. Honey, about a tablespoon and a half. Yeah, I would say about a tablespoon and a half. However much you want. I think in this case I did about a tablespoon and a half. Go ahead and give that a quick mix until it comes looking like this. Biscuits are done. Look at that. Look at that. Those are the layers that I was telling you. That's the reason why we fold. Beautiful rose to the occasion. Man, look at that. Now we're going to spread that butter all over these biscuits like that. Look at that. Man, look. Oh, man. Trust me. Once you start making your own buttermilk biscuits, man, you ain't going to want to go to no store-bought Pillsbury who? Pillsbury what? Watch me work. Hey, this is all she wrote. I'm glad you guys enjoyed watching this video. Peace out.